So here's our quick steps that we're going to do this. So first we're going to review our norms. George, can you read the norms, please?
Number 1, don't make generalizations, judgments, or stereotypes. Number 2, respect each other's opinions. Number 3, place yourself in other people's shoes. Number 4, think before speaking. Number 5, set biases aside. Set biases aside. Seek to understand. Number 6, listen and empathize. Number 7, take risks. Number 8, forgive. Number 9, don't get in your feelings. Number 10, no gagging up, support each other. Number 11, question yourself and others.
Okay, good. So we have about 50-50, maybe a little more females than males because some people are absent. But especially since we're talking about gender, it can be pretty sensitive. So remember to be respectful of others and keep our norms in check. So I'm going to put the question up on the screen, as you know. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to 1 minute to write down your responses. So you don't need to write incomplete sentences for this. Bullet points, quick notes, so that we are hitting number 4, thinking before speaking. For especially for this 2 cents, I want you in your book. Explore it. Tell me what page numbers. Give me specific examples. Okay, so that we can do some evidence, and then we'll also write. The questions aren't set in stone. We can go off of each other. We might get a question that I didn't think of, and you thought of it, so we can keep going. So, really quickly, Tyrese, what are we going to do for 30 seconds to 1 minute on our papers? Good. Good. Jot down quick notes. And Caitlin, what are we going to do if we want to participate?
We're going to raise our penny.
Raise your penny. I'll collect it. If you use both of your pennies, you can still participate, just so you know.
Awesome.
Okay, ready? Here we go. Here's our first question, and we have this pre-discussion, which we already said. Okonkwo has a fear of becoming Unoka, like you already told me, because he doesn't want to be a failure. So, based off of that, knowing this, don't give me 2 because it might take 2, but give me 1 example of when Okonkwo tried to be more masculine so that he wouldn't be viewed like Unoka. So think that he wouldn't be viewed as weak or idle or womanly and affectionate. Give me a specific example. And do you think that this is okay? Do you think he's acting in an okay manner, or is he taking it to the extreme? So 1 minute, silently look through your book, write down notes, give me an example. Go. Elizabeth is looking through her book. Emily is writing down a quote.
Good job, Emily.
Alright, 3, 2, 1. Alright, Candy, go ahead.
On page 61 through 62, it says that Okonkwo, he heard that he was going to cry. My father, they have killed me, and he ran towards him. Jesus, there, Okonkwo drew his machete and cut him down. He was afraid of being thought of as weak.
Good. So he's avoiding being womanly or being weak. And what did he? It caused him to do what?
To kill other people.
Good. Caitlin, you have the same one? So then you can answer this question for me. Do you think that he was being extreme, or do you think that this was okay for him to do?
Oh, I think he was being like way too extreme. Like, I want to ask him to kill. I can
Yeah. Good. Elena?
I agree with the second thing because the oracle told him that he was supposed to
Good. So they told him anyways, but he did it to prove his manliness. Good. Any other examples? Ish? Yeah, go ahead.